Have you ever thought about what kind of business can make you money while you sleep? Imagine you are in deep sleep and money is coming into your bank account. It's not a dream, it's reality. In today's video, I am going to give you 5 amazing business ideas that, once set up, can generate continuous income for you without any effort. On-screen text. Earn money while you sleep. Business ideas. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote other people's products and earn a commission on every sale, without any investment. How does it work? 1. Join any affiliate program. Amazon, ClickBank, Duraz. 2. Share links on your website, social media, or YouTube channel. 3. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission, potential earning, $100 to $10,000 plus per month. Best platforms: Amazon affiliate, ClickBank, Digistore 24. For higher earnings, focus on a niche market and create review-based content. 2. Selling online courses. If you are an expert in something, you can create an online course and earn millions. Create once, sell multiple times. How does it work? 1. Upload your course on Skillshare, Udemy, or your website. 2. Promote it on social media and YouTube. 3. Every time someone buys, you earn money. Potential earning: $500 to $50,000 plus per month. Best platforms: Udemy, Teachable, Kajabi. For higher earnings, focus on high-demand skills like coding, digital marketing, or video editing. 3. Print-on-demand business. Sell custom-designed shirts, mugs, and phone cases without any investment. How does it work? 1. Upload your custom designs on Printify or Teespring. 2. Whenever someone buys, the company prints and ships to the customer. 3. You earn a profit on every sale. Potential earning: $200 to $10,000 plus per month. Best platforms: Printify, Teespring, Redbubble. For higher earnings, focus on trending niches like motivational quotes or gaming designs. 4. YouTube automation channel Lightbulb. Create videos yourself or get them made by freelancers. Upload them on YouTube and earn ad revenue. How does it work? 1. Select a niche, e.g., facts, stories, finance. 2. Get voiceovers, scripts, and videos made by freelancers. 3. Upload on YouTube and monetize. Potential earning: $500 to $50,000 plus per month. Best platforms: YouTube, TikTok, Facebook Reels. For higher earnings, focus on high CPM niches like finance or tech. 5. Selling eBooks. Write an ebook once, sell it multiple times. No delivery, no inventory. How does it work? 1. Upload your ebook on Amazon Kindle. 2. Promote it through social media and blogs. 3. Every time someone buys, you earn money. Potential earning: $100 to $10,000 plus per month. Best platforms: Amazon KDP, Gumroad, PayHip. For higher earnings, write how-to guides and motivational books. Conclusion: call to action. These were the 5 business ideas that make money even while you sleep. If you really want financial freedom, choose a business model today and start working. Remember, once set up, these businesses can pay you for years. Now tell me, which business idea do you like the most? Do share in the comments. If you like this video, like it, subscribe, press the bell icon so you get notified first about new videos.